Hi friends, here I am discussing the important IR frequencies for the MSc exam as well as a NET and CSIR NET entrance exams. Here, first is a normal stretching frequencies. This is about a single bond, double bond, and here all about the carbonyl. These are the important frequencies. In carbonyl, in which the groups are acetamiide, acetone, aldehyde, ester, acid anhydride, acid chloride. Then frequency for the allenes. Then for the triple bond, here the frequencies about the CH stretching, NH, OH, in which the three types are include. Free OH, when the free OH is present, hydrogen bonding, and third case is a carboxylic OH. All frequencies are discussed. Here the tables which tells about the difference between the alkane, alkene and alkyne. In alkane, CH stretching frequency, CH bonding frequencies. What is the difference between all three? In between all three, alkane, alkene and alkynes. Here, in case of aldehyde, CH stretching frequencies, two bands are formed. Here, potent frequencies about the gem dimethyl. Two bands, one is a doublet and other band due to the CH stretching frequency. If the ether dimethylamine methyl halide, or we can say alkyl halide, CH stretching frequency is 3000 per centimeter. Then alkynes, two bands are formed at low frequency due to the CH bonding, at high frequency due to the CS C triple bond C. We also discussed this frequency in the previous. Then about the cycloalkanes, aromatic, in case of aromatic, frequencies are due to CH stretching, CH bonding, C double bond C stretching. Here the four bands are formed at 1600 per centimeter, 1580, 1500, 1450 per centimeter. Then about the monosubstituted aromatic, if it is a meta substituted, if it is a ortho substituted, if it is a para substituted. These are important frequencies. Then about the alcohol and phenol. In alcohol, OH stretching frequency 3700, 3500 in between. Then about the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Here about the nitro compound, aliphatic, difference between aliphatic nitro and aromatic nitro. In aliphatic nitro, two bands are formed at these two frequency ranges, higher frequency range. In aromatic, here these two are discussed. In nitrides, this is a formula of nitrides, stretching frequency and no stretching frequency. If trans is present, then 1680 is between 1615 per centimeter. If cis is present, here higher frequency is this. So these are all about the higher frequency. Here these all higher frequencies are very useful for the CSIR NET exam, also as well as a MSc exam. Thank you.